Thank you very much. The next speaker is the representative of the International Yazidis Foundation for the Prevention of Genocide. You have the floor.
شكرا سيدة الرئيسة. يتحدث إليكم اليوم عزيز كالو ممثل.
Thank you very much, President. I represent the fight against genocide in Geneva. The implementation of law in a just way and the protection of citizens' rights is a responsibility that falls upon the state. Syria has been suffering from a conflict for many years, and Damascus cannot protect its citizens. The government in power is complicit in human rights violations. And this is but one example of how it is failing to protect minorities. Assets and properties are seized, in particular olive groves, and people are kidnapped. Citizens suffer a great deal, and there are reports of abuse from all regions carried out also by the armed Islamist groups that are affiliated to Turkey. Electricity shortages and water supply cuts are widespread. We would like to urge the UN and other international organizations to identify human rights violations in this region, and we call upon the international community to find an effective solution that will take into account all Syrians without leaving anyone behind. The interpreters would like to underscore that that was a particularly fast speech. Thank you.
Thank you very much.